Frankincense contains boswellic acid, which may help fight inflammation. Inflammation causes redness, swelling, and heat. It happens after an injury and during many illnesses. The body uses inflammation to fight infection. When inflammation occurs, the body produces white blood cells as a part of its defense mechanism. Inflammation also causes swelling, redness, and pain. Long-term inflammation, especially when it occurs in multiple areas of the body, is associated with a wide range of health issues such as arthritis.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Immune system. Frankincense oil is effective as an antiseptic, and even the fumes or the smoke obtained from burning it have antiseptic and disinfectant qualities that eliminate the germ in the space where the smoke filters out. It can be applied on the wounds without any known side effects to protect them from the tetanus and becoming septic. Oral health. The same antiseptic qualities also make frankincense oil a useful prevention measure against oral issues like bad breath, toothaches, cavity, mouth spores, and other infections. Look for natural oral care product that includes frankincense oil if you enjoy the flavor or aroma and want to include a strong antiseptic in your health regimen. Emmenagogue. Frankincense essential oil reduces the obstructed and delayed menstruations and delay the advent of menopause. It also helps curing other symptoms associated with menses and postmenstrual syndrome, such as pain in the abdominal region, nausea, headache, fatigue, and mood swings. Carminative. Frankincense oil eliminates gas and prevents it from building up in the body. This removal of excessive gas from intestines also gives relief from associated problems like stomach aches, pain in abdominal region, and just abnormal amount of sweating, uneasiness, indigestion, and many other related conditions. Stress and anxiety. Frankincense oil is very effective as a sedative because it induces a feeling of mental peace, relaxation, satisfaction, and spirituality. It also awakens insight, makes you more introspective, and lowers anxiety, anger, and stress. When feeling anxious or if you're anticipating some sort of stressful episode, add some frankincense oil to a diffuser or a vaporizer. Uterine. This oil is very good for uterine health. Since it regulates the production of estrogen hormone, it reduces the chances of postmenopause tumor or cyst formation in uterus, also known as uterine cancer. In terms of premenopause period, it keeps a woman's uterus healthy by regulating the proper menstrual cycles. Cicatrisant. This is an interesting property of frankincense oil since skin health and anti-aging are such hot topics these days. This essential oil has become even more important. When applied topically or inhaled, it can make the scars and aftermarks of boil, acne, and pox on the skin fade at much faster rate. Digestive. Suffering from indigestion due to that turkey last night? A patient of chronic indigestion and acidity, fed up with those antacids? Then you should try frankincense oil instead. This oil has digestive properties without any side effects, and it facilitates digestion the most medicines should. Unlike common antacids, which only suppresses the symptoms, anti-aging. As a cytophylactic, frankincense oil promotes regeneration of healthy cells and also keep the existing cells and tissues healthy. When you combine this aspect of frankincense oil with its powerful astringent capabilities, you have a potent anti-aging quality that frankincense oil is often used for. It can help you to eliminate the sunspots, remove micro wrinkles around the eyes and cheeks, and generally tone and tighten skin all over your body.